Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Perfect English Podcast, the podcast where you learn real English for real life. Before we begin, let me ask you a few quick questions. What is your English level? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Which country are you listening from? And what is your biggest challenge in English? Speaking, listening, grammar, or confidence? Take a moment to think about your answers. All right, let's get started. What does fluent English really mean? Many learners say, I want to speak English fluently, but what does fluency actually mean?
Great question. Fluency doesn't mean perfect grammar or a native accent. It means you can express your ideas easily. You don't translate in your head. You communicate confidently, even with mistakes.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes every day. Why do many learners study English for years but still can't speak?
Because they focus too much on grammar rules, memorizing vocabulary lists, and passing exams, but they don't practice speaking and listening enough.
That's true. English is a skill, not just knowledge. Daily habits to learn English fast. Let's talk about daily habits. What should learners do every day?
Here's a simple daily routine. 1. Listen to English, podcasts, YouTube, movies, 20 minutes. 2. Speak out loud, 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Learn phrases, not single words. 4. Review mistakes, not grammar books.
I love that. Simple and realistic. How to speak English fluently without fear. Fear is a big problem. Many learners are afraid of speaking.
Yes, fear of making mistakes stops progress. My advice, speak slowly, not perfectly. Use simple English. Don't wait to be ready.
You don't learn to speak by thinking, you learn by speaking. Think in English. Stop translating. How can learners stop translating from their native language?
Start with short sentences, talking to yourself in English, describing your day in English. For example, I'm cooking now. I feel tired. I need to study.
This is powerful and free practice. Best way to improve pronunciation and accent. Pronunciation is another challenge.
Yes, here are 3 tips. 1. Shadowing. Repeat after native speakers. 2. Focus on intonation, not accent. 3. Record your voice and compare.
Accent is okay. Clarity is more important than sounding American or British. Learn English even if you don't live abroad. Many learners think they must live in the USA or UK.
That's a myth. You can create an English environment, change your phone language to English, follow English content on social media, join online speaking groups.
English is everywhere if you choose it. How long does it take to be fluent? The big question, how long does fluency take?
It depends on daily practice, not years. With 30 to 60 minutes a day, you can see confidence in 1 to 3 months, fluency in 6 to 12 months.
Consistency beats talent every time. All right, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Remember, speak every day. Don't fear mistakes. Learn real English, not textbook English. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what is your biggest English problem right now? See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing.